To get started, I'm first making a horizontal line, which is my horizon. I'm then selecting a royal blue shade on the soft brush and painting in the top half of our painting. Slowly adding some lighter shades to the bottom and darker to the top of the sky. You can then go ahead and duplicate your layer and flip it vertically for the water. Going in the organic brush section, you select rainforest and start drawing some clouds. I'm applying more pressure to the brush at the top to make different shadow effects. Once you've made as many strong, bold clouds as you'd like, you can go ahead and make some faint, transparent clouds in the background. I've done this by reducing the pressure of my brush. You can also reduce the opacity of your brush. Now going on the luminance and flare brush, I tap once to make a shooting star. This can vary in size. With a light pen brush, you can add a line to the side and make it look like it's been flying in the sky. Returning back to that flare brush, make different size stars in the sky. You can add as many or as little as you would like. I want my sky to be a tad darker, so I'm selecting a navy blue on a new layer and giving my sky a darker appearance. Now that I'm satisfied with the color, I'm merging the two layers and duplicating it to make a new water. I'm now going to duplicate and flip the clouds and move them to the bottom of the painting. Going on the smudge brush, I'm moving them left to right so you can see how the clouds look like they're reflecting on the water. You're going to want to make the horizon line darker with a black and fade it into navy and lighter blue. This makes the water look more distant in the horizon. Now it's time to draw the boat. With a medium soft brush and black, I'm making my boat shape. The boat does not need to be symmetrical. To add some dimension to the boat, with blue shade, I'm going to draw a thick section at the top of the boat. This would represent the inside of the boat. Next, I'm moving on to making a candlelight coming from the boat. So alternating from white to orange and red, you can grab your soft brush and slowly color circles one outside of another. Now you grab your smudge brush with a soft brush and move left to right to make the light look like it's radiating outwards. Now I'm going to draw two people in the boat, one with short hair and the other with longer. The people are silhouettes, so you don't have to worry about any specific details, just their general body shape. To make the drawing pop, you want to put some of the candlelight colors on the people. This will make it look like the light is reflecting on them and that it's their only source of light. This is an optional step, but you can choose to add a larger white circle on the candle to increase the glow, and you can add more of a reflection to the people and in the boat. I'm now creating boat paddles on each side with a simple soft brush. Once you make these paddles, you can begin to add some orange hues on them, as the candle would reflect on the paddles as well as the people in the boat. Once you're satisfied with your boat, you can merge all layers and then duplicate it, flip it vertically, and reduce the opacity. Once again, go in with your smudging tool to make the reflection appear like it's on water by smudging left to right. I'm now going to add different shades of blue and make thin lines going left to right along the water. This is going to make the impression that there's some movement in the water. You don't want to forget to smudge these lines to really give it that moving effect. Lastly, to make a moon, you can make a light gray circle and go in with the brush under materials called tawny, and you're making some dark gray strokes on a new layer. Don't forget to turn your new layer into a clipping mask so it only goes on your round moon. Once you're satisfied with the depth and details, by adding more gray tones towards the bottom, whites at the top, and even some shades of black, you can merge the layers and move it around the sky. I wasn't satisfied with the shape or size, so I selected it and used the Reform button to shape and resize. Now you're going to want to duplicate and flip this moon vertically and smudge it in the water to give it that water appearance. There you have it. This is how you can make this moonlight water reflection painting. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed.